Hey everybody, I wanted to hop on to show you how quick and easy it is to play your music through Spotify code on your custom picture frame or acrylic plaque that you create. So here is my Spotify account. You go to search right here at the bottom, and then you tap search here at the top. There's a camera right there. Select the camera, scan your code, and your song will start to play. It's just that easy. If you have any more questions, please feel free to leave it below. Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to bring you a really quick tutorial on how you can import your Spotify code into your Cricut machine using your iPad or your iPhone. I am using my iPad. So first you're going to open up Spotify, find the song you want. I'm just going to pick a random Trey songs. You're going to hit the three dots on the right hand side. You're going to scroll up till you see share. Select share. Scroll up again and copy link. You need the link so that you can import it into the Spotify code program or website. You can get the link from my YouTube right here. Go to videos, select the video, hit the little arrow, and there's a link in the description. There's always great information down here in the description, so please make sure you're checking it out. So go ahead and open up the link, remove what's already there, and paste the link that you copied from Spotify. So now it's going to open up. You would like to turn the color to black, and the format should be SVG so that you can cut it with your Cricut. Now we're going to hit the up share button and save it to our files. Now I like to use Apple files. You can save it to whatever file you prefer to use. Make sure you rename it so that it's easy to find. I'm just going to name it Spotify Code Saturday. I suggest you name it the name of the song so that you can easily find it. Go ahead and save it again. Hit done. We're finished with YouTube, and now we're ready to go to Cricut. So open Cricut, start a new project, hit the upload button, and browse files. So here you can go ahead and go to wherever you saved it. If you saved it in your files, search for it, and when it opens up, you can rename it and save it in your Cricut uploads. You can also do this if you save it to your photo album. You can still access it through Cricut uploads. Once it uploads, select the file you want. It will open up in your new project. And there it is. I hope this helped you. If you have any further questions, please feel free to leave it below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.